entry for Arma 8x8 and Cobra 2 6x6 tactical wheeled armored vehicles worth around $110 million, reported MilitaryLeak.com. Otokar will begin to deliver the armored vehicles, which include the first order of Arma 8x8 from Africa, in 2021. Otokar designs and manufactures with high levels of protection and superior mobility continue to be favored by friendly and allied countries. The order also consists of spare parts and training services, with plans to start delivery in 2021 and complete by the end of 2022. Otokar's armored vehicles currently serve in the inventories of more than 50 clients in over 35 countries. Pointing out Otokar's outstanding success in international markets, Serdar Gorguk, general manager of Otokar, said, "Our armored vehicles, with all intellectual property rights owned by Otokar, are favored in the international arena thanks to our excellent engineering and superior R&D capabilities." With this order, our Arma 8x8 vehicle will begin to serve in missions on Africa for the first time. We are particularly proud to receive this order from a country that we have previously exported to. The vehicles that our client has already included in its inventory and has been pleased with became a reference for the new order. The client chose Otokar to meet its 4x4 and 8x8 tactical wheeled armored vehicle needs. Arma is 6x6 and 8x8 amphibious wheeled armored combat vehicle family designed and developed by Otokar. The vehicle is a modular multi-wheel configurable with high level of ballistic and mine protection due to its high-hardness monocoque steel hull. The first prototype of the Arma is equipped with a circle ring support, armed with a single 12.7 mm heavy machine gun. A tank destroyer variant sporting a 105 mm cannon has also been exhibited. Arma have a relatively high 425 mm ground clearance should help achieve mine protection to level 3B or higher. Arma's ballistic and anti-mine protection is provided by high-hardness monocoque steel hull and all personnel is seated on anti-mine seats. The Cobra 2, a further development of the existing Cobra, is an armored tactical vehicle designed and produced by Turkish company Otokar. It features high level of protection against threats from improvised explosive devices, land mines. Run flat, CTIS, air conditioning system, blackout lighting system and towing eye are among the standard equipment of the vehicle. It can be additionally fitted with a self-recovery winch, a CBRN filtration kit, automatic fire extinguishing system, navigation system, intercom system and an auxiliary power unit. It can be optionally equipped with a remote-controlled weapon system of up to 30 mm machine gun or grenade launcher.